Now here's the part that ties everything together. Here's our flow meter that's going to attach to our block, and the top of this is the Alpha Cool quick release fitting. So we have just a regular bar lip here. We'll be using this to fill the port down through here, and then our water will run through these two ports on the side and use as a flow meter. And then once it's done bleeding, everything will bubble up to the top here, and then I could just unscrew this and disconnect it. And then all of the water will be trapped in there, and we'll have minimum leakage, and when it comes to maintenance, it'll be super quick. So I'm super excited. Let's start building this thing.
I want to give a big credit to the people at Mods, as they have a wider range of water cooling parts at their online store. From pumps, radiators, reservoirs, fittings, tubings, water blocks of all kinds, coolants, and other accessories, all from reputable brands. Visit the link down below to be directed to their website and start planning your custom water loop today.